Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Bank of America verification code not receiving. First of all, check your SMS or email if you have entered your email account there. Check your email. Then if it's not here, try checking in spam or in the trash. It must be somewhere there. And if you have entered your phone number, check your SMS, or it could have also been sent to your WhatsApp, so check there. Then switch networks. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues, and make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi so the app runs or operates smoothly. After that, try a landline or alternate email, then request code again. Safety tip: never share Bank of America codes. Quick fix: disable spam filters temporarily, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.